Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password. Okay, and if you're watching this video, it means you're facing lots of problem. You have tried lots of video to unlock your smartphone, but still now you are failed to unlock your smartphone. Because and in this video I will give you a new trick where you don't have to worry about it. You are going to unlock your smartphone without any single problem. Okay, so watch this video till the end, only then you will be unlock your smartphone 100% definitely. And if my previous video you have watched, and if you're not able to unlock your smartphone by my previous video, so don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, my friend. Further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work on your smartphone. There are some reason why sometimes the method don't work. I will give you the main problem of this these type of problems in this video. Before we reveal this method, there are some important thing that I would also like to tell you, my friend. That the first thing is that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30%. Otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone may be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of my previous video, so don't worry at all. You can also watch my upcoming videos, or you can also take help of my previous video. And for this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the next video. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone. Watch this video till the end. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning the method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone, my friend. Okay, as you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to switch off your phones all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. And if your phone is on Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network is on, so firstly you will have to switch off your all the network. Okay, now you can see my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network, you can see here. So firstly you will have to switch off my all the network. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Just a minute, and you will get a lots of keys here. You can see here there are lots of keys. You can also get a key of airplane mode or flight mode, you can see here. So simply you will have to activate this airplane mode key or flight key to close all the network. Now you can see here I have activated my phone's airplane mode or flight mode. Now you can see here both the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network is switched off. Now my phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. The main thing is that your phone's all the background running application should be closed, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret codes which generated by the every brand service center to close the background running application when your phone is locked. Because when your phone's background running application are not closed, it means your phone is not going to unlock with this method. So today's recent secret code what I am going to give you, you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. Okay, and you will have to call on that secret code to close the background running application. So you can see here how will you feed your secret code to close the background running application. Simply you will have to slide your phone upside. Now you can see here my phone has been got pattern locked. Okay, now you can also get an option of a emergency SOS option. By this you can open your dialing pad like this. Now the secret code what I'm going to give you, a special code to close the background running application, is *777, then *2364, then *89523, then hash. Now after feeding this hash button, you will have to call on this special secret code, and first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. Call on this secret code number. After calling on this number 3 times, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode or master unlocking mode. So after closing the background running application, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing your call log, now I am going to give you the USSD code. The USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see after feeding this number star hash 899 hash, a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and the page name is after sales page. You can see here. Now you will also get a lots of option on this page, but don't go with any other option on this page because all the options have the specific function, and in this video I will only give you the trick how to unlock your smartphone. So don't go with any other option. Now you can see here a single option is showing here software version. You can see here at the 5th number. So simply you will have to go with this software version, and when you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page. You can see here you will get a lots of option on this page. The second option you can see here showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, and if your phone is showing here Android version 11, it means you will have to click on this Android version 11 time continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click on this Android version option 13 time rapidly like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Okay, now after this you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version. That's option's name is manual test option. Now you will have to go with this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and you can see here the page name is engineers mode. Okay, now you can also get an option of an assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page because the every option is most important to change your phone modification. So don't go with any other option on this page. Now after this you will have to simply slide your phone down right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Now you can see here at the end of the slide the other page has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here. Now you will also get a 5 type of option on this page, my friend. The first option is showing here a screen backlight test. The second option, as you can see here, but you will have to go with the option of a mainboard version. You can see here the mainboard version. You can see here, my friend, but it may be possible your phone will be showing here database version option. Okay, but both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 10 times rapidly. Mark my words, rapidly. You will have to click rapidly, not slowly. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now the second step has been done, my friend. Now you can see here the second option is showing here read write important lock test. Okay, now this is the main option. Okay, and by clicking on this option your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But last option I will give you after this read write important lock test, that is the most important step. But if you have skipped any step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend, and you will comment your video don't work on my smartphone. So be careful about the every step. Okay, and if you get fault in any step in this video, it means you will have to watch this video again. Okay, because this trick really works. I have unlocked lots of phone by these tricks. Okay, so trust on my words. Okay, so after this you will have to go with the read write important lock test option, and when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will reach to a new page that it will ask to confirm you, but you don't have to confirm this. Simply you will have to cancel this at the first time. Again you will have to do the process 3 times continuously, and after doing this process 3 times continuously, at the 4th time you will have to go with this option, and again at the 4th time you will have to give a command of a OK button. And when you will give a command of OK button, it means your phone has been completely unlocked. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. But before going to the home button, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. Simply the last step what I am going to give you, simply you will have to reach to the page of a device debugging page. Okay, now simply you will have to slide your phone left side, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging page. Okay, now you can see here there are also lots of options on this page. You can see here, my friend, but you can see here the 6th option is showing here sensor self test and calibration option. This is the most important option, my friend, so you will have to take care of it. Sensor self test and calibration option. Okay, so be careful for this step. Okay, so simply you will have to go with the sensor self test and calibration option, and when you will click on this sensor self test calibration option, you will reach to a new page, and the page is showing here 3 type of option on my display. You can see here it may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 option or 1 option, so don't worry at all the option will be showing here operation not started. You can see here. Now you will have to start these operation by clicking on this option. Okay, so now I am going to click on this option. You can see here test has been started, but the single message has been appeared, test failed. The second option is I'm going to click test has been passed. The second option test has been failed. Okay, now you can see here the single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything. My phone has been completely unlocked. Now you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked. Simply go with the home button. So after going to the home button, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked and there is no any data loss of my smartphone. You can see here all the applications which were in my smartphone as in my smartphone. So this trick really works. So mark my word, this trick really works. And if your phone get unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. Otherwise, you can also take help of my older videos or next upcoming videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.